Hello, this is Mark Ellis, the trusted real estate advisor with Keller Williams Realty in Pasadena. We had multiple offers on this home. Some offers came from buyers who would like to rehab this home and occupy it as their primary residence. Others came from investors who would like to remodel this home and bring it back to the market at a higher price point. The winner happened to be a family. They will rehab this home and they will raise their family here in the Altadena community. When you or someone you know needs real estate services, feel free to reach out. I'm just a phone call or a text away. Thank you.